Hello, a very good morning, a very beautiful morning here at the Fifi Islands. Namaste, my viewers. సో ఇక్కడ మనం బోర్డింగ్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర వచ్చేసినాము. వీ హ్యావ్ చెక్డ్ ఇన్. సీన్ ఏమైందంటే ఐ వాజ్ స్టేయింగ్ ఇన్ పటాంగ్ బీచ్ రోడ్ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి అనమాట. ఐ థాట్ ఫీఫీ ఐలాండ్ పోవాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్రాస్ ద బీచ్, యూ ఆర్ బోర్డింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద ఫెరీ అండ్ యూ ఆర్ heading to the Fifi Island. కాదు, we drove 1 hour to the other side of Phuket. Exactly 9:15 in the morning time la. We have came to the Navy area, man. There's speedboats, there are yachts going around. I'm not traveling in a yacht today. I'm traveling in a speedboat. ఎందుకంటే yachting back when I was in Dubai, extreme next level yachting చేసేసినాము. ఇక్కడ I didn't wanted to yacht, but they have beautiful yachts. Dolphin 1, Dolphin 2. They are massive luxury yachts. I didn't book a yacht because it didn't come. Click అయితే మన మైండ్ ఇట్లా క్లిక్ కావాలన్నమాట yacht లో పోతాం. Since I'm not here with my friends, I'm traveling solo. I wanted to save a little bit of money. ఏమైందంటే ఇందాక ఐమ్ చెక్-ఇన్ చేసుకున్నా. I just took this band. I'm coming back. A brother says, "Are you in Arabi?" I'm like, nah, Arabi. He's like, what? Where are you from? I'm from South India. And I asked him, where are you from? He's like, I'm from Uzbekistan. I'm like, marhaba, my brother. He's like, marhaba? How do you know marhaba? He goes like, assalamu alaikum. I'm like, walaikum assalam. Hyderabad and atlane bhai. If you are multilingual, you make friends wherever you go. Then I meet another person from France. He's saying something. I'm like, bonjour. I think the entire trip was very fast for me. 5 days Bangkok lo spend chesnam, 5 days Pattaya lo spend chesnam, 5 days Phuket lo spend chesam. Currently Thailand kosam visa free anamata. They give you a visa free entry for 60 days. 20 days in Bangkok, 20 days in Phuket, 20 days in Pattaya. Should be great. And dude, trust me man, Phuket is really good. People here are really nice. Hospitality chala next level. If somebody is traveling, travel from the south to the north. Phuket, Pattaya, Bangkok and Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai అయితే ఈసారి నేను కవర్ చేయలేదు. Maybe I'll be coming back very soon. When I'm back, I'll try going to Chiang Mai because I've heard that they have beautiful hotels right in the middle of elephant sanctuary, like right in the middle of jungle. You wake up early in the morning with the presence of an elephant. Elephants reaching out inside your villa, trying to grab the bananas from your desk. That, just imagining it, I feel like blessed, man. Podduna elephant is blessing you up, waking you up. Oh, damn, bro. I think I'm going to the sanctuary tomorrow, a friendly elephant sanctuary. But yeah, this place is beautiful. This place is happening. Gali ortundi, my hair is a little not flying because it's all dried up. Yeah.
Village like food, we're gonna go to Maya Beach, Maya Bay. Maya Bay is our last stop, so we will stop there about 40 minutes in Maya Beach. But on the Maya Beach, when we go inside, we just go inside and walk around the beach, take a picture only because we cannot do swimming. It's not allowed to do swimming, everyone. Why we cannot do swimming? Because we need to save the new coral reef and also baby shark. You know baby shark? No? Baby shark is... yeah, the baby shark on the beach, okay? If you're lucky today, you'll see the baby shark on the beach, okay, in Miami. For 30 or maybe 5 o'clock, for 30 or 5 o'clock, the beach again, okay? Anyone have flight tonight? Flight go to Bangkok, Melbourne? No one? And any show tonight? Simon Company show? Sayami show? Okay, alright. So before we go on, I would like to recommend you 2 things. First one for the beach shoe or rapid shoe, this one. You see, because when we do swimming, when we snorkeling, when you walk on the beach, under the water, everyone have a lot of the sea urchin, the black animal, this one. This one we call sea urchin, okay? If you step on the sea urchin or you touch it, you're gonna stuck in your skin, your body like this. Like this, and then you will get hurt, you cannot walk. When you go to see the doctor say nothing to do, just spend the time, baby. They're gonna remove by themselves, okay? For your safety, I would like to recommend you to buy this one. Okay. Okay, so now you have time about 5 minutes. Prepare yourself. If you need to buy some accessory or if you need to come record again, and then I will tell you again 20 tip or red color.
So that was quite of an intro. I thought this trip will end pretty soon. Kani Island, you're hopping from Waina. Oh, by the way, Phi Island is a combination of multiple little small islands. You start up in an island, you go to the next island, you spend a little time in one island, then you move to another island. Ala అని చెప్పేసి you reach your final destination and you take the ferry back to the coastlines. A must recommended place వచ్చేసి a lot of people recommended me to see the Maya Bay. It is actually a well preserved and conservated sightseeing here in Fifi. Oh, one of my friend actually joined this on Adi. Kani, what happened was our pickup from the hotel was early in the morning. We partied really hard last night. Me, even if I sleep 4 in the morning, I'm waking up at 6. I knew she won't make it, so I just told, no, I don't want liabilities in life. Liabilities. So like this, kana. సో చాలామంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ నన్ను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో బ్రో నైట్ లైఫ్ చూపి పార్టీయింగ్ ద పబ్ కాల్స్ బ్రో నాట్ దిస్ టైమ్ మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఎందుకంటే ఈసారి ఐ జస్ట్ ఫీల్ ఫర్ మీ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సింగ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ మై సెల్ఫ్ మ్యాన్ కెమెరా తీసుకోబోతాం అనుకుంటున్నాను బట్ ఇట్స్ టూ మచ్ ఫన్ టు క్యాప్చర్ సో యూ కెమెరా తీస్తావు బట్ you're just driven into the fun. చేసే మంచి చేయాలి బ్రో లేండి చేయొద్దు సో దాట్స్ మై పాలసీ.
Get on the boat and realize check-in card. Realize check-in.
Okay, everyone, good morning. Good morning. Good morning again. Morning. Okay. So welcome to our boat. Okay. And everyone on the boat we have soft drinking water free for you inside the cooler box backside, the white one. Okay. First up today we're gonna change the plan a little bit. We're gonna go to PP Island first. Okay. First up we're gonna go to Maya Beach, highlight of PP. Okay. So from here to the Maya Beach take time about 1 hour. Everyone, when the boat running, could you please sit down only? No walk, no stand up. Okay, because we need balance the boat. Inside the boat cannot because under your seat have a lot of gasoline, maybe 300 liter. If you smoking, what happen?
Boom!
Boom! I don't want to be a barbecue in the morning. Okay. All right. Okay, so before we go, I would like to recommend you two activities in PP Island. Actually, our boat is speedboat. We will go inside as well, but we just go inside for stop for swimming only. Okay. But for someone you want to go like a sightseeing around the Pili Lagoon for take a picture for beautiful photo like this, can go with the long tail. They're gonna give you about 40 minutes with the long tail boat. They're gonna go around the Pili Lagoon and about 20 minutes. And then 20 minutes for swimming. They will stop somewhere for swimming as well. Okay. If you need to book this one, please let me know how to swim, or you are not strong swimming. Because this one no need your swimming skill, no need your license. Only your heart, your body, and your money. Okay. For scuba diving, 2,000 baht per person. No need your swimming skill because 40 minutes under the water. Okay. Alright. If you need to book 2 activities here, please let me know. I'm gonna walk and show you more picture in my phone again. Okay. Enjoy the view. Thank you so much for your attention. ขอบคุณครับได้เหรอ3,000เลยเหรอวิ่งกว่าเดียวนะ Picture of me,